So for the today topic, first we are going to be check about the locate and interrupt the system log files and journals. Then another we will discuss about the preserve the system journals. Then start, stop and check the network services. And then at last we will discuss about the securely transfer files between the one system to another system. So first we need to be understand about the logs before checking the logs of the system. So what is the log? So if we talk about the logs, so log is a machine generated data. Log is a machine generated data. So what is the meaning of this machine generated data? So this is the meaning is this, like if any type of the activity happened inside the system, it will be stored in a log, or any event happen inside the system, so it will be stored in a form of any file, stored in the file, and these files known as a log files. Okay, these are the log files. So what is the event or what is the activity? For the example here, like I have typed the wrong password, and after typing the wrong password, it will be logged in a file, because failure of this process means failure of the login. I got the failure of the login. So sometime what are the possibilities? Possibilities is this: if this is the failure of this user, Vijay Kumar user, so there is a possibilities Vijay Kumar is not going to be login here. Vijay Kumar is not logging. Someone else is logging. Someone is trying to log. Someone is trying to log, not Vijay Kumar, because it is possibilities. Sometime what happened, if I logged here, put the password, but my caps lock on, or maybe I have done some type of the misspell. So if I will done some misspell, so there is a possibilities one logon failure. But the similar two logon failure, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 100, thousands login are failures. So means there is a types of the attack. Other similar happen like your service is another example. If your HTTP service is running on your machine, but it has got shut down automatically, shut down for the 1 minute, shut down for the 5 minutes, and then restart again started, or temporarily stopped and start, or someone got hacked your system and trying to bind with the another port number 82, or the port number 83, or any other port. So yes, it is possible. So in this case, these are the activity, these are the events are logged in a file. So because there is not a single file, a single service running inside the system, not a single security is used inside the Linux system, not a single service or the application is running inside the system. So there is a lots of the type of the services are running inside system. So if you want to be check those services and their log information, so you need to be open this file. I am going to close all this. So here it is the root user right now, and inside this there is a one file where we are going to be log of this file. Inside this you will see there is a lots of the messages. There is a lots of the secure related to the secure, spooler, boot, and lots of the logs are there. So as its name you can see the cron, logs related to the cron. So log related to the boot, log related to the DNF. So DNF RPM log related to the firewall. So means the different application, different program either make the different file or make a different directory. For the example here, the http log, okay, samba log, sssd log, tuned log. So if I am going to be check inside this, I am going inside the var and the log directory, and here I will run this and clear everything. So I need to make like this. So ls here, and I am going to inside the twin. Here I will find there is a one log file. So if I am going to use this file tune and log, so you can see the log of all the logs are there. So what happened inside this system? So in a log, first you will get the time and date. Time and date is there. After the date there is a time, and it is related to, what is the related to? It is information. If there is a only information, so there is a no type, any type of the issue there. It is the warning. Warning means if there is a some type of the issue is going on, so you need there is a warning, you need to be improved, that is specific. And yes, warning is there, lots of the warnings are there. So you can see this is the related the logs, the information is stored here. Okay. So in a tuned profile, there was a one information related to the instance disk. Assign the disk as DC and SDA in a RAM. This is the RAM DM1 and DM0 and SDB. So this type of the information you can check and you can analyze the logs. Okay. If I am going to out from this, then run this ls command. So I want to be related to the logs, related to the boot. So at the different time, the boot logs along with the dates are stored here. 35 this timing for checking the logs, boot logs, or related this. If I want to be check a specific file, so boot logs and 2024 and 405, and right now I need to be provide the 1 or 2 any date. So it is all record what the service was okay, what is was the service was running, all the type of these are running here. So you can check all the records, everything is okay, so there is a no any type of issue. If there is a possible issue, so you can check. I am going to check another log, only the boot log I am checking here, so nothing inside this. And another date log I want to be check the 2, is there any issue? So there is not looks like any issue. So similar, there is a multiple type of the log related to the boot is there. And if I am going to check here another thing related to the cron, so if there is a related to the cron, so there is a lots of the logs are there. So which user trying to through the cron log, the command was executed in a background because I had set this log previously. Okay, cron the root cmd this etc finished. It was running the 1 hour complete. So this is a record you can find here, what was the process and what other record has been done. Okay, so right now like so right now I am going to show you the cron -l. So corn. Oh. cron tab and -l will display you the information related to this. So this is actually the command written here. So this record is already exist. So if this record is exist, so that is was executed previously on the right time. Okay, so it was written in a log. Then I found, yes, this is not useful for me. I was only the testing that. So I can do the cron tab and -e. So I need to be delete this file and going to be save it. That's nice. So if I am going to check now that there is a no cron tab, otherwise the next day it will at the 20, it will execute. The command will execute again. So which will, my computer will consume some process and other thing. So I found this information from the logs, okay, from the cron tab log. When you run here the ls command, then you will find here the kernel and DNF log. So for the DNF log, I want to be check here the DNF log. So what is the DNF is command to install any program. So DNF is crossing this thing and installing some program or not. It will be display the information related to this. Okay. So this is the way where you can check the logs inside this. And one more important thing is what is going on your system. So it information you will get in this particular program, scat and messages. So in this program, if you want to do any type of the specific information, so you can use the grep and related to other information. So you can check here, like if I want to check the information related to the grep, the HTTP, so I will use the grep and provide the HTTP. So you can see this is the HTTP and all the information related to the HTTP. Okay, and also it is the time and date is mentioned here, your host name of this, and this is the information related to the log. Okay, if any record is related to the SSH, so you can check this for this record. Okay, but you need to spend some time to check all the record and all the things, what is the things are going on the system, right? So another is one more important is journal CTL. So journal CTL is another particular means reading the messages. This record is reading by this journal CTL. So for more detail you can use the help option where you can see the multiple options are available for this. So what are the options are there? You can use X, the catalog, and A for related any U for the user or the unit. So if you want to be general CTL and -AUX and give the HTTP, so hit enter. Oh my god, no entry. General CTL, hit enter. Lots of the entry here. Actually all the record which was pinging my system in a background, so these are the record is find here. So actually this is the much record. So you can use the journal CTL, then you can use the tel and -9 hyphen n, tell hyphen n10. So it will display some value, 10 value or the last 10 value. So what I have done, the cron tab is edited by Mr. Kumar. This tab is edited by this is this. For the example here, again, I am going to use the su command and put the wrong password and hit enter. So one, another is I am going to use the sudo and dnf install xyz. So I need to provide the password here, and I provided a password and there is an error. So if I run this command again, so right now what you are not looking, what you was looking previously, there is a record has been changed. So what is the failed SU? SU run by the want to be root, and it is done by the Kumar. But Kumar user don't know the password. So maybe he is doing the illegal activity or trying to get the illegal activity. Another is command is executed by the Kumar, the PWD from this location. He want to be root, means he is a normal user, but run command as a root. And what was the command it was used? The command is written here. Session opened for the user root by the UID, this one, but session closed for this root user because there was a not password. So these type of the records are exist. If you are doing any activity, other activity, so these are the record are stored, record are saved. But when you see there is a lots of the records, lots of the entry, if you see on the screen, so super entries are there. So what will you do?